Okay, this is coming from my plant headed to I-40. This is going to show you what stupid things states are putting in. And they will be roundabouts. So this is a 2-lane road, Highway 158, near Advance, North Carolina. This was Sunday, March 20th, 2019. Beautiful day in the 60s, I believe. Hardly clouds in the sky. But this video is to show you the wonderful roundabouts. It is 1234, as the top left corner says. 3/17/2019 at 1234. Here's a big wheat field coming up on your right. Wheat is looking nice and pretty. Wheat field on the left. This is a pretty good sized farm right here on left, a couple farms left and right around the interstate. Alright, I'm going to be turning to get on, headed towards the interstate, as you can see. They put this roundabout in last summer. For some reason, they only put one on the east side of the interstate, not on the west side of the interstate. Boyle's Furniture Store is right there, and here's the roundabout. This used not to be here until last year. And as you can see right there, that is a state trooper waiting for a speeder. And you go around this curb with a trailer, you have to ride the curb for the most part, because they're not wide enough for trucks and trailers. Even though many a truck uses this route to go to and from my plant. Thank you all. Have a great day.